Santisanu Nana Japar. My normal metric is H24A3063. Now, I want to present about our assignment. First, our report is focuses on analyzing the financial performance of Exim Hospitality Berhad and Mama Group Berhad. We use financial ratio and basic forecasting method to evaluate their financial position and future potential. Although these companies are not traditional hotel operator, they play an important role in supporting the hospitality, tourism and wellness industry in Malaysia. Their property and commercial development provide accommodation, business space, and infrastructure that support tourism activities. Financial ratio help us understand the company liquidity, probability, efficiency, and overall financial health. Meanwhile, forecasting allow us to predict future financial trend and help management make better strategic decision. And overall, this analysis provide a clear picture of how property-based companies contribute to the growth and sustainability of the tourism and hospitality sector.
My name is Salvia Viviana Nonto and my metric number is H24A3513. So I want to talk about company background. Firstly, Exim Hospitality Berhad. Exim Hospitality Berhad, formerly known as Pan Malaysia Holding Berhad, was incorporated in 1983. The company focused in hospitality and property management. The company officially rebranded as Exim Hospitality Berhad in 2024. Secondly, Magma Group Berhad. Magma Group Berhad, formerly known as Impiana Hotel Berhad and incorporated in 2006. Magma Group Berhad rebranded as Magma Group Berhad in 2023. The vision is to be an integrated hospitality and lifestyle group. The core value is sustainability, innovation, and long-term growth.
So I'm going to present the trend analysis for Exim Holding Berhad and Magma Group Berhad. So first we start with Exim Holding Berhad. The liquidity is decreased from 21.51 in 2023 to 2.12 in 2024. This show that the company is still able to cover the short-term liabilities, but its liquidity positions slightly decline. For this company profitabilities, first the gross profit margin dropped from 48.60% in 2023 to 43.83% in 2024. This indicates the increase in cost of goods sold or reductions of selling price. And next profit margins. It increased, this company net profit margin increased from 214.6% to 234.1% in 2025. So despite of lower gross margins, this company managed to handle their expenses efficiently. For the return of asset, it increased from 18.775% in 2023 to 21.991% in 2024. Efficiency of this company for the inventory turnover is negative and declined further from negative 33.43% in 2023 to negative 39.01% in 2024, which indicates that inventory management issue this company have inventory management issue or unusual data. For the total asset turnover is also very low, which 0.87 in 2023 and 0.09 in 2024. This This trend shows that low asset utilizations in generating revenue. And for this company's solvency, it's improved from 0.56% to 0.89% in 2024, which means it's slightly stronger long-term financial stability. And for Magma Group Berhad, the liquidity current ratio increased from 1.68 to 1.75, which saw stronger ability to cover short-term liabilities. And for the quick ratio, it's dropped from 1.03 to 0.77, which slightly concern in liquid asset, or it's been less inventory flexibility. For Magma company profitability, the profit margin decreased from 114.41 to 109.80%. It is a minor dip, but still strong margins. Net profit margin jumped significantly from 90.60% to 305.6996%, indicate the exceptional cost control or increased revenue. And for a return of asset, it rise from 5.34% to 18.35%. It is better asset utilizations and profitability. For Magma Group efficiency, the inventory turnover declined slightly from 0.5 to 0.3, which indicate slower inventory movement. And for the total asset turnover, it remained unchanged as 0.5 for 2023 and 2024. The suggests constant asset usage for revenue.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Adiba binti Raslan. My metric number is H24A3632. Next, for cross-sectional analysis, Exim Holding Berhad versus Mama Group Berhad. Scale and revenue, market position. MGB is a much larger entity with total assets nearly 5 times higher than EHP. Revenue generation, MGB generates significantly higher revenue, RM 1492627 versus EHV RM 50695, reflecting its larger operational scale and expanded hotel portfolio. For financial performance and risk profitability, despite higher revenue, MGB suffer much larger losses than EHP. RM 45.47 million loss versus EHP RM 30.33 million loss, suggesting poorer cost control and higher restructuring expenses. For liquidity, EHP maintains a stronger liquidity position with a current ratio of 2.12, whereas MGB holds more absolute cash RM 17.29 million but manage tighter overall liquidity due to its massive liabilities. For solvency, MGB carries significantly higher debt and liabilities, leading to elevated long-term financial risk compared to EHP's more stable capital structure. Next, for operational efficiency, asset utilization, EHP is slightly more effective at using its asset to generate sales, though it suffers from aging infrastructure and low occupancy. And lastly, inventory MGB demonstrate more stable inventory turnover compared to EHP. Thank you.
Now I want to talk about our analysis, overall analysis. Based on our analysis, both enzyme hospitality Berhad and Mama Group Berhad show a decline in financial performance from 2023 to 2024. Both companies experienced a drop in profitability, weaker efficiency, and higher financial risk in hospitality sector.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Aini binti Adis. My matric number is H24A2967. I want to present about cross-sectional analysis. So, Magma Group Berhad is a large company with high revenue, but it faced big loss and high debt. EHB, on the other hand, perform better in liquidity and efficiency, while Magma Group Berhad has a strong cash position but high leverage. Recommendation: reduce operating costs, improve pricing, diversify revenue, strengthen cash flow, reduce debt dependence, and enhance efficiency towards better asset management and digital tools.
So, in conclusion, both Exim and Magma show a decline in performance between 2023 and 2024. Exim has stronger short-term stability, while Magma has higher potential for long-term growth due to its larger asset and diversification. Both companies need effective financial planning, cost control, and sustainability strategy to stay competitive in Malaysia hospitality industry. Thank you.